So guys, in today's videos I'm going to be showing you how to make a play button working. So first go to Start UI, add a screen UI, and the screen UI add a frame. So you have to use sizes to your screen, size of your screen. So now move it like this. So now over here, move this now, like this. So now move it down like this, like this. So now background transparency to 1. In the frame, add a text button. Then put it down here wherever you want. So I'm going to be putting it here. So here we are, background to the green color. So next, scroll down until you find this Source Sans Pro. So we need Fred Luca one. So this is like obby ones, which text yes. On the text, type play. Next, here text scaled yes. So it's kind of looks trash like this. So in here I'm gonna add a UI corner and a UI stroke. Here in the UI stroke, border. So the thickness to 3. Actually kind of bad. It's index. So I'm gonna put it to 1 here, to 3, actually 6. 6 is good for this, but for the not play button, for the game passes, I put on the 7. Next, we are done with it. In the UI corner, you can make it to 1. It's like this. Actually, I'm gonna put a 0.8, 8.0 like this, but it's kind of trash, so I'm gonna delete the UI corner. So now we are gonna add it again, UI corner. So now it's done. It's 0 like this, 8. I can do it. Let me do it again. 0, 8. Now it's done. It looks the same. So 0, not. So now it's not kind of look trash. So in the text button, add the local script. So I'm gonna put this script in the script. This one I'm gonna put this script in the description. So now when we hit play, it should be working now. So we didn't add any blur. It automatically having blur. So in here, in the text button, add a text label, because if you add it in the starter you add text label, it should not disappear in here now. So move it up there. So now we have to click active. Next, scroll down. Now to find the background transparency. So scroll down. Where is it? So I never find it. But if you find it, it should be okay. It's good. So let me find it now. Let me check. Scroll up. Okay, background transparency. I find it now. So now, which text on, text scale now on. Now I'm gonna put the name Slap Tower 8. So this is my game name. So now resize it, how size it, whatever you want. So now when it's done, we're gonna copy the script. So now let's click play, hit play. And now when we hit the play, it should be working. We only added 1 script to this and it should be working. So that's gonna be for today. Bye guys.